Just pointing the camera out the window, and as you can see, this is the most wonderful of English summers. I think I was 11 or 12 when I did this, and there's some interesting stuff in here. One of the things I don't remember, 1972 this was. That was a long time ago, man. See that? Any American guys in here watching this video? That's a cross-section of America. Notice the teacher's comment up here. There's the teacher's comment there, look. This is too brief. The story of my life. That was the history of wheat. Well, I thought I gave a very good sort of summing up there. And the nice little drawings. I've got the red ticks. There's the old Indian and the buffalo. Or can we say Indian, or do we have to say Native American now? Another word for wigwam is teepee. When the white settlers came, the Indians were not very pleased because they had taken their land. I got 7 for that. Little 7 there in the corner. See? There's the Indian having to sleep and some in the canoe. Oh yeah, there's good stuff in here. This has been buried away for years. Why did I keep this? I have no idea. This is obviously after I left that year, and this is a story I was writing when I was a little bit older than that, maybe 14 or 15, and gosh, there's quite a bit of this here. I'll have to read through this and find out what the heck I was writing about. I'll read a little bit, should I? Read you a little excerpt from a story that I'd totally forgotten, that I must have written when I was maybe 13-ish. He swung around in surprise, just in time to see a figure disappear behind the sofa. He reached out for his torch, but instead of feeling the rough plastic surface of the torch, he felt a smooth, cone-shaped thing. He picked it up, and what he saw stunned him. He was holding up a black raven by the beak. Suddenly the raven flapped its wings and made the sound of a car revving up. Simon dropped him in surprise. A shuffle came from behind, and he spun round. There, sat in front of him, was a black and white border collie dog. What the rest of it's about, I don't know. I can't remember that at all. So I shall take a trip down memory lane and see what I can make of it. Film Billy's attempt to open the Swiss Army knife without cutting himself any more.
I like how you say it anymore. Oh! Right, well, which one of them do you use to tighten your glasses in? That?
The one with the nail file on, that's it, yeah.
Oh. Is that all the things there is in that?
Thank you for kicking me, by the way.
That's alright. Well, that little...
That little thing, yeah. I said they were very little. You've got to... Oh, okay. Clever clogs.